MBU Online presents Course Copy in Canvas. Let's keep it clean. Canvas makes copying your course easy, but there are a few things you should know to create a clean copy in your new course. If you have a blank course shell, this is what you will see. We simply click Add Existing Content. What kind of content are we importing? Another Canvas course. Search for the course that you are going to copy. And I'll copy from my sandbox. And you can select all content or specific. And best practice is to select specific content so that you don't continually bring over outdated information into the next course and the next course and the next course. Otherwise, your course can become like a fractal where you're copying the same thing over and over again, making it large and unwieldy. We also recommend that you adjust events and due dates. You can either shift them from one term to another entirely, and then you can go back and make sure they're all correct and clean, or you can remove the dates from what you're importing and then put in new dates as you go forward. If you shift dates, you also have this substitution option. So if you have Monday assignments and now your classes are on Tuesday, you could shift any Monday assignments to a Tuesday assignment and so forth. Let's just say remove dates. Then import, and here we have our import. We need to select the content. You can expand any of these that have sub-menus so you can see what is in them. You can bring over your course settings, the body of your syllabus. Any of these that have arrows can be expanded so that you can choose what to bring over. On assignments, click the arrow. We can see all the assignments. Here they are in folders. You choose the items you want to bring over and the assignments, whatever you want to bring over. That's all you choose. When you have finished, and all your files are here as well, 330 files in this sandbox course, and that's why we want to select only what should come over each time. Then say select content, and all of that content will be imported into your new course shell. When the process is complete, it will let you know that it's complete. Now if we go back to the home page, we can see anything in this course that we checked off in that list. That's as simple as it is, and that's what will keep your copying clean from time to time, from session to session. What if you brought in the wrong course or a bunch of stuff you didn't want? Go to your settings and click Reset Course Content. That will delete everything in the shell, and you get this warning, reset. Now when we go back to the home page, we see that we have no content again. What if your course already has content in it, but you want to import more content? When you log into that home screen, you're not going to see the Import Content button. Simply go down to your settings, click Import Course Content, and now you are back to the same screen we had before. For more information, please go to the MBU Online Training course where you'll find additional resources on course copying.